Get ready to rewind time and sprinkle your digital art with that unmistakable 80s magic. Today, we're diving into Nano Banana to craft images that scream the glorious 1980s, bringing back all the nostalgia and vintage charm you love. First things first, let's open up Nano Banana and get a fresh canvas ready. Don't worry if you're new to this. We'll guide you through every step. Now, the heart of any 80s image lies in its style. Nano Banana offers some fantastic pre-built retro aesthetics. Browse through these options until you find one that sparks that genuine 80s vibe. You're after a circumflex Euros. Think bold, think dynamic. Once you've picked your core style, it's time to refine. Look for settings related to film grain, saturation, and contrast. Pushing the saturation up slightly and adding a touch of grain will instantly give your image that authentic analog feel. The 80s were all about bold, often fluorescent colors. Seek out the color palette tools in Nano Banana. Experiment with vibrant pinks, electric blues, and deep teals. Don't be afraid to make those colors pop and even clash a little. A circumflex Euros. That's part of the fun. Nano Banana also excels at adding those signature stylistic flourishes. Explore its effects library for things like subtle VHS distortion, a classic laser grid overlay, or even some chromatic aberration to mimic old film. These small details make a huge difference. The real power here is how Nano Banana's AI intuitively understands and injects these retro elements. Play around with the intensity of different effects, and let our AI assist in capturing that perfect 80s look. It's all about finding that sweet spot between familiar and fantastical retro. And there you have it. With just a few steps in Nano Banana, you've created a stunning piece of digital art that teleports us straight back to the most colorful decade. Relive the past and create your own 80s masterpiece.